My name is Lori Tavera, and I have been an early childhood professional for the last 25 years of my life. I truly enjoy working with the children. Currently, I am the Early Learning Service Coordinator with Salisbury Rowan Community Action Agency. I have actually worked for Salisbury Rowan Community Action Agency for about 20 years now. 17 of those years were in the Head Start classroom. I feel that through the guidance and experience that I've had through my years of experience in the classroom, that I can help my staff. I can actually give guidance to the children that are in our program and just enjoy what I'm doing. Knowing that I am putting a seed in a small little human being and I watch it grow to extraordinary levels. It exceeds everything that I want out of life. Salisbury Rowan Community Action Agency is an awesome place to work. You are supported, you are encouraged, you have positive role models all around you. It's friendly. You make relationships here that for me have lasted a lifetime.